Let's watch this.
What do you think? Huh? What do you think?
Where are we?
So, for those of you who don't understand what is going on here, this is the Lagos State Environmental Agency. Like, there are officers who are in charge of holding back or arresting beggars in Lagos State. And in this video you're watching, they arrested 396 beggars. And do you know what they want to do? They want to send them back to their respective states. The question I want to ask is, Nigerian government, if Nigerian government can sit down comfortably, be at peace, rehabilitate bandits, terrorists, give them skills, empower them, reintegrate them back to the society, why can't they do the same thing to these people? Is the begging nice? No. Do they have an option they don't have? This is what we should answer critically. See, these are not things we do with sentiment. You don't do it with sentiment. These are facts. If you can rehabilitate terrorists, sorry, and reintegrate them back to the society after empowering them with a skill so that they will not go back to kill, then why can't you do same to innocent citizens who are not terrorists, who are not thieves, who don't cause any harm to the society, only to beg to survive? And probably many of these people are even being sent, allegedly being sent by some of these big men or some of these allergy or whatever they call them, because they keep giving birth randomly. So make this thing make sense to us as Nigerians, that you can pardon terrorists, you can empower terrorists, you can reintegrate them back to the society, but you cannot do same to innocent citizens who are helpless, who cannot fight for themselves. Many of them have one leg. You can see them limping in those videos. You can go back, send the video back and go and watch. See them limping in that video. Many of them are on the wheelchair. Who is going to feed them? These are people that, if we have an organized country, a country who thinks about its citizen, they would have been, in one way or the other, empowered with skills. Even cripples do work. They work as long as they have hands. But our country don't value people. Only politicians want to eat. People that can send a helicopter to the community to go and carry terrorists to go and treat. Do they have time to take care of innocent citizens who are helpless. This nonsense needs to stop in this country. Lagos state government, I will advise that you people create an avenue where these people can learn skills, then empower them to go into those same streets, those same society, those same places that you people arrested them from, to go and start doing something meaningful with their life. This is the state where the president is allegedly being based. He's based there. His house is there. Apart from being in Asoro, it is temporal. After his reign as a president, he's going back to Lagos. So this is something he can do. If you send these people back, what do you want them to go and do in their respective communities? To go and become more bandits? To go and become more terrorists? Is that it? Start kidnapping people? We need to do better in this country. This is my opinion. I don't know, you have your own opinion? Drop it on the comment section, because this is my honest opinion. We need to do better in Nigeria.